Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Daily Table. Today we are making homemade tortillas. I know it sounds kind of hard, but it's actually not hard at all. But before we getting started, I would like to kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel. I know a lot of you guys are watching this channel, but you aren't subscribed yet. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, share my recipes with your friends and family. That way you're helping me to grow this channel. Thank you guys so much, and now let's get started.